Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, we're going to do another journal article review. This is from the Hair Transplant Forum, which I think a lot of people can find on the ISHRS site. And this is from September, October 2021 by Michael Beener, who I don't know, but I know he's a reasonable hair transplant doctor in Saratoga Springs, New York. And I've seen him at a meeting or two, but never talked to him. And it's a pretty interesting article because, when we cut grafts out of people, whether it's strip or FUE, kind of the industry standard is you keep them in cold saline, or sometimes it's cold ATP solution.
Yeah.
And the whole key is cold because my wife's a cardiologist, and so when you do heart surgery, you cool the whole body down so the metabolism of the cells is lower. It just makes sense. And the same thing with a spinal injury, you cool the person down, or a brain injury. And so people do the same thing for hair. But this Dr. Beener reviewed, it's just a little study. He did 3 patients, and he found that with grafts stored at room temperature survived 90.9%, and those stored at 4 degrees centigrade survived 80.3%. That's a big difference.
Yeah, but the temperature is really it's high. Like it's really cold.
It's this refrigerator.
Yeah, but then when it
centigrade, not Fahrenheit.
Listen, when you also I guess.
What do you guys use down there in Guatemala? You use Fahrenheit or do you use centigrade?
It's
Which
centigrade.
So you should be uncomfortable.
But no. But see, you're like no, wait. So when it's colder than what we normally keep our thing, because we don't put them in the refrigerator.
Right. We don't.
We have a cold. We have a container that keeps them cold.
We got ice underneath a thing of saline in which the grafts are placed. So, but the other thing at this office is we're not trying to rush to get things done, but we're trying to rush to get things done. So those things aren't in the saline very long.
For long. Yeah, we're basically. I don't know how other hair transplants doctor do it, but the minute minute that a tech has 150 grafts in cut already,
they bring them into the room. We put them in a
we'll
head.
Put them in immediately.
And I think that's one component of why we get better results than some people do.
Because other people would put it. Yeah, other people would put it. I've seen other doctors. They put it in the refrigerator and wait until everybody's done.
Yeah.
And then they do the slits. But then these grafts have been in the refrigerator.
It gets like trees. When we planted trees, we didn't set them outside for a while. We bought them at the nursery when they came in, and we had the holes already dug, and we stuck them in the ground, and put water on them and fertilizer, and that's how you get them to. Anyhow, it's a pretty interesting little report by Dr. Beener, and three cases doesn't make a scientific milestone, but it's worth further investigation. So I applaud Dr. Beener for doing that. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.